Hello guys, today I will try just to explain something very fundamental about trends and making money. Okay, so let's get just a general idea of the market, as I always speak about the general indexes and then I speak about trends. Okay, so we have, as before, we have this as let's say the resistance line that we see before. Okay, let's see here. Now this is the resistance line, and this is the support line. Okay, now let's see the game of the market. The market was going up, and let's make something very important here. Okay, now here we have, for example, January, we have before December, and we have November. The market was doing so good. It means if you were here in these 3 months, let's say you buy an ETF, let's say the DIA, which is the Dow Jones ETF. Okay, ETF. Let's say you bought it on the 1st of November. You have been making money from November, December, and January until the end of January. Now, it happened here. We have what we call the correction. Now, the correction, let's see here. Okay, so just to make sure, I will give you just an idea of what the thing was doing. Okay, this is the market. Now, if the market is going up and down between the low and between the high, so January, now beginning February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September here we have from August, September, October. Okay, this is the time when we are in October here, the last month here. Okay, we see that the market has been going down, and we will never know where it goes. So, if you are going to trade from February to now, what is the thing that you will see? You will see that most of the time you lose money. Now, why do you lose money in this month? Few people only can make money if you are doing, either you are doing day trading, because you don't need a trend. Day trading, you don't need a trend. It means you need only the fluctuation of the day. Okay? But if you are following trends, you lose some money, and I understand this, and I will tell you that this is something normal that you lose money. It's just because there is no trend. A stock, you bought it today, it goes few days up and then it goes down. So when you see it's too much, you close the trade. Then you go to another where you begin. The stock begin to go up, then it goes down. So you lose and you lose and you lose. That's why you see you become losing money and you don't know why. Is it your strategy that it is not working, or it is what? The problem is that the mood of the market is not helping you making money, because not of the strategy, but because of the mood of the market in general. Now, in order to find few stocks in the stock market that are doing good, there are few stocks. I'm telling you, there are few stocks. If you find them, you will find them that they are going up for a long time. For 2 months, 6 months, 7 months, you find few stocks are doing good. These because they don't belong to the mood of the market. Some people are buying, some people are buying. So in order to do, you should search daily for this kind of stocks. And another thing is that if there is no trend, a good trend like before, you are not going to make money that you deserve. Okay? So in general, try to be careful not to go to the market so often. Try not to put too much money in the market where it is troubled. It's always going up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay? And the good thing is that you can either search daily and you find smaller stocks like penny stocks. Maybe you can find a bargain because they don't belong to the whole market. Okay? And in general, as I did video yesterday, the market is still trending into this range. So there is no trend at all. The trend before I spoke about it, I explained it with 3 months. It was doing so good. Okay? So in September, August, and July, these 3 months, the stock market was doing good. And I have showed you it was good. Most of the stocks are going up. So people, they can make money at that time. But all from February to now, it's rare that the people can make money except for these big trends like 3 months or 4 months trends. Okay? So what is the future right now? The future, the market should show us what is the trend. Is it continue to go down to cross the support line? So we are what we call in a bear market. It's clean that it is bear market. Or it can stop going down and go up again, and it crosses the resistance line and it goes. If we have this before the end, before 2018 end in December, if this comes here, it means we will continue the bull market that it is here from last year or the beginning of January of this year, 2018. So this is an idea, the general idea about things in the market. Okay? So you should understand what's going on in general. But finding specific stocks, okay, it's very difficult. You should search every day. And whenever you find a stock, you buy and you put stop loss and leave it. If a few days it goes up, you will be making money for sure. But if it goes back, following the market, it means that this stock will not have a trend. So you are just wasting your time and you should exit. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Please, if you have questions about this, just always ask, or you can send me an email. It's always in the description. Okay? And thank you very much and see you next video.